DiskInternals NTFS Recovery software is a popular tool which allows recovering your pictures, documents, video, music, or any file you lost on NTFS disks. Launch an executable file you downloaded. Don't install the program on the disk with the removed data. After installation, press Launch Trial Version and start the recovery process. Disk Recovery Wizard will start automatically. Select the disk to scan. Remember that recovery files will be found on the selected disk. Power Search technology yields the best ratio of data recoverability. You may select the file type like documents, archive, video, audio, and etc., or all types. Disable search by signatures will be the fastest search. A disk scanning process will take some time, so have a cup of coffee and wait. Click on Finish. Good news! You can preview recovered files with their original names before exporting them. Removed files are marked by a red cross in the upper left corner. Select files you want to bring back and click on Recovery. Select Save Files and choose a place where you want to save them. Never recover deleted files to the same disk. And when you know that your data is available to recover, with no doubt purchase NTFS Recovery online and get your files back. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video.